Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be introducing you to Aqua Gelz with a little how-to guide. So step 1 is to get your pot of water, and then we want to grab one of the solution sachets and pop it into the water. We need to give it a good stir to make sure it's all mixed in, and we really do need this solution to bring our colourful creations to life. The next step is to choose our mould. I think I'm going to choose the octopus because he's definitely my favourite. Now, when it comes to colours, you can choose as many different ones as you like. There really is no limit. You don't have to use lots of different colours, but it is cool once you see them come to life in the water. You can do as many different patterns as designs as you like, and make sure you use your imagination because the possibilities are really endless. See mine here? I've done in lots of different colours. And don't forget about the little shells and stars that also come on the side. Now, the next step is to take the mould and pop it in the water. You want to make sure it's fully submerged, and after a few seconds, start to wiggle it side to side. Make sure you do this quite gently though, as the creation is still quite fragile. After a little bit of time, you might see them start to pop out the water like this. See how he's wiggling out of his mould? Nearly out. There we go. Now, they're really fragile in this first state, so we don't really want to touch them. But I am just going to flip him over to show you all the cool patterns and designs that I did on him earlier. Nice and gently, there you go. You see all the patterns I did? Now, after we've left them for a while, they do start to go 3D and squishy like this one here. And pop him back in the water.